Great day everybody, welcome to Skill Up Dimension. Today we got here another video from one of the most popular first-person shooter ever made, Counter-Strike Global Offensive. And today I would like to show you the most basic smokes for map The Train. But first of all, in my video I will use my own practice config, thanks which we can see grenade trajectory, showing impacts, flying and many more. So if you want to know how to create this kind of config, simply watch one of our previous videos. But now let's go for the smokes. Okay, so first smoke I'm going to show you is for Olaf on the A side. So simply you have to come here on T spawn to the pallet, and then you will stay right in the corner and aim up like this between those two corners, a little bit up from this, and throw. And as you can see, Olaf is smoked. Okay, nextly, if you want to smoke left side of the electric box, simply come here again to T-spawn. You will stand here to the corner at the, like this brown train, and you will find this corner, and you will aim a little bit to the right from it, and just left click. And as you can see, perfect smoke to electricity. Okay, next smoke I'm going to show you is for the 6 train to actually save you from the ivy. So basically you can throw it from here, you will just stand to the B, like to the bottom right side of it. And then you will aim up to the window, make sure that you broke it before. And then you will aim like to the half of small window and a little bit higher, like this. And as you can see, perfectly landed smoke. So basically you can run through Olaf, through middle train, or you can do basically whatever you want. Or if you want to smoke this same position from the main, so you can simply come here to the corner, and then you will aim here at this place to the top. And as you can see, again, good smoke for 6 train. Okay, next smoke I'm going to show you is between 5th and 6th train, or basically brown and blue. So here it should drop. You will stay here close to the corner of the brown train. So right to the corner. Then you will aim to this like chimney and to the left side of it, and you will go up till you will hit actually this cable, and then simply left throw. And as you can see, you got smoked between the trains. Okay, nextly I'm going to show you the smoke for this area between 5th and the bomb train. So actually for this you have to come here on this. So you will jump on it, and then you will find this red circle here. You will stand right on it. And then you will find this window, and you will aim a little bit to the right of it, like this, and just throw it. And as you can see, perfect smoke. Okay, and when you want to smoke the right side from the T-apps, actually, you can come here. You will stand right to the edge of this like corner, but totally right in the edge, so you have to be really precise. Then you will aim to this window, make sure that it's broken, and not like to the middle, but a little bit to the left from the middle. And you will then do like middle throw. That means you will click left and right mouse button at the same time, and then you will just throw. And as you can see, perfectly smoked. Okay, now if you want to smoke connector or Z at the A side, you can simply come again on T-spawn. You will jump on this to this container. You will stand right between those two boxes, like this. And then you will just aim to the top of this corner. So like this. As you can see, the connector is smoked. Okay, now let's say that you want to smoke the bomb train. So for this you basically have to come again to T-spawn, and here as you can see those yellow lines, you have to find the second one, and then you have to find where it's actually like missing piece, or I don't know, like where it's not full, you know. And then you will simply aim on the top of this box and a little bit to the right, so like this, and just throw. And as you can see, bomb train is smoked. Okay, nextly we are going to smoke this area in front of the ivy. So again, we are coming to the apps. You have to stand here to this corner. It's a bit tricky, but yeah, stand in this corner and then make sure that this window is broken, and you will aim to the bottom right corner of it. Simply left click, and as you can see, perfect smoke without gaps on any side. Okay, next smoke is for ivy completely, so we will go again to the apps and we have to find this line. You will stand right on it, and then as you can see here, the window, again, make sure that all of the windows are broken. So you will aim like on the right side of the window, but a little bit lower on the wall, like this, and just left click. And as you can see, ivy is smoked. Okay, if you want to smoke right side of the ivy, you simply come here to this wall. You will line up, and then you will aim like on top of this container simply, and just throw it. As you can see, ivy is smoked, and there is actually no gap, so nobody can see through this. Okay, next let's say that we want to smoke left side of the ivy, so simply come here to T-spawn. You will stay right here in the corner. Then we will aim like this is corner of the entrance. You will aim a little bit to the left from it, hold, and then we will do run through. So like this, and as you can see, there are no gaps. Actually, nobody can see through the smoke. Okay, so let's go for B smokes. First of all, I will show you the connector smoke. So we will come here again on the same spot to T apps. And actually here you have to stand right to this wall, where actually this gray is changing to the normal bricks wall, so right to the edge. And then as you can see here, this window, let's say this left side, right side, and you will aim right in the middle and then go down where this line is actually. So then simply left click. And as you can see, connector is smoked. Okay, next let's say that you want to smoke it from top B and you want to smoke more this area and not so deep smoke to the connector. So you will simply come here. You have to stand right here in the corner and then aim like is this cross on the fence. So right in the middle and slightly run through. And as you can see, connector is smoked. Okay, next let's say that you want to throw smoke here. So basically, of course, you can throw it simply like this. It will land on the end of the train. It will be smoked. Or if you want to throw this consistently every round, so simply come here, stay right in the middle of this wall, and then aim on the bottom of this first like part of the fence and left click. And as you can see, this will be consistent every single round. Okay, next I'm going to show you smoke for this area between second the bomb train and the third one. So again, you come here to upper B, you will stand right here in the corner of this box. And then as we can see here, this like corner at the top and the first part of the fence, we will aim to the top from the fence to the right side from this second part that we just impacted. And here you can simply then just slightly run through. And as you can see, the perfect smoke between trains. Okay, now let's say that you want to smoke higher B to actually prevent the sniper to kill you. So you simply have to come here to this corner. And as soon as you are here, you will find the top right corner of the doors and you will go a little bit to the right from it and throw. And as you can see, the high ground is smoked and you can simply come down or whatever you want to do. Okay, next smoke is actually for A main. So you will simply stay here to this corner and then you will throw the smoke right like those cables are meeting together. You will aim here and just left click. And as you can see, the perfect smoke in the main. They can't see from any of these sides. Okay, next let's say that you are holding the B ramp. So basically when you hear the steps or you want to just prepare yourself, you can throw smoke like this. And then here is the smoke, so basically you can jump on this like high ground side and you can wait them here. They will not expect you, they can barely see you, and you can get some free kills. Okay, similar thing you can do actually when you will run and throw smoke like this. And then as soon as the smoke will drop here, you can come and jump on the fence and you can play again around this and wait for them to actually they peek you. Okay, next let's say that you are playing this position and you want to smoke a main. So simply you can come here on the ladder, not totally at the top but staying on the ladder. Then you will aim like is this corner and this corner of the building. Sorry for the impacts, but you know I'm staying on unstable ladder. So basically we'll go to the left from this and you will throw the nade like is this. Let's say L. So throw. And as you can see, the perfect main smoke without any gaps on the sides. Okay, next let's say that you want to smoke pop dog from the T-spawn. So you can simply come here to the corner of this container again and you will aim to the corner of this container actually. And then simply jump throw. And as you can see, pop dog is smoked. Or simply when you want to smoke left side of a bomb train, you can simply come here to this corner. You have to be of course safe, so maybe you already have smoked the connector. But when you will simply aim to this like this rectangle right in the middle at the top, so you will just left click. And as you can see again, perfect smoke between the trains. Okay, now let's say that you want to smoke here between second and third train. So simply you will come here to higher B again. You will jump on the fence. And then you will line you up to actually this line, this part of fence will be lined up with this part of fence, so like this. Then you will crouch and you will aim to the bottom of the B like this, and you will jump through. And as you can see, area between second and third train is perfectly smoked. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is really all for this video. I really hope I helped you. I really hope you like this. If you want to see more tutorial videos from Counter-Strike Global Offensive, simply hit the like button. If you want to support this channel, please hit the subscribe. We really need it. Or you can become our patron at the Patreon page by what you can support our channel financially. So basically, thanks this, you can support our tutorial channel at all. But okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is really all. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and see ya at the next video. Goodbye.